So what is happening, guys? Here this Shubta and you are watching Shubta Tech, and once more all of you guys are greatly welcome to my channel. And in this particular video I am going to unbox the Apple iPad Pro 10.5 inch grey color variant from toogood.com in a superb refurbished condition. So guys, I will also going to test the gaming and processor performance of this iPad as this is a refurbished version of the original one. So I hope you will like this video. If that, don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video, and if you want to watch more video like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So without wasting any more time, let's start.
System activated.
Press the subscribe button for subscribing my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon beside it for getting new updates from my channel. So guys, this is the box that I have received from toogood.com through Ekard Logistic, and the box looks like this. The packaging is a little bit messy, but it seems to be okay. This contained my iPad Pro 10.5 inch 2017 model, which I bought nearly for about 45,000 INR in superb condition. This is my new unboxing weapon that I will be using for the first time, and this knife is really sharp, and I have wounded my hands more than 3 times unfortunately while cutting this box out. Back to the unboxing. As we open the box, we get a box of our iPad Pro wrapped within a bubble wrapper, and we need to remove it off and few other seals in order to reach the main content of the box. So let's remove the cardboard box aside and move towards the main box. And this is finally the original box of our iPad Pro 10.5 inch. I'm really happy, and I can't express this in my word since I got the original box in the super condition. So it's really awesome. So this box is again sealed in a plastic, maybe by the toogood.com. So let's cut it off. This box looks pretty awesome. In the box we get a band of toogood.com which has been used for sealing this box out. So let's remove the plastic wrapper of this box. At first, in the front we also get a small piece of paper in which few information such as the manufacturing date, price, etc. are mentioned, and in the back we can see few shines of the previous tags that were originally pasted by the Apple. So that has been removed, maybe due to some reason, I don't know really. So we get two seals on the box that we can see after removing the band out. So these are the two seals on one side and on the other side. So let's remove them off and let's open the box out.
Is the perfect scene.
Guys, as we open the box, at first we can see our iPad Pro 2017 grey color 64GB variant. So let's take this out. It is wrapped within a plastic that you can see. So it is very thin, as you can see. So I am keeping it aside and moving toward the other content of the box. Other than the iPad Pro, we get a leaflet from toogood.com in which it is mentioned a few information about the product and we about Toogood. So other than this, we get a warranty card, and it is also mentioned in the warranty card that we need the invoice in order to claim warranty through Toogood. And there is our lightning connector for charging our iPad and transferring data. So you can see, I think it is the original Apple's lightning connector. Here you can see it's look like new. So I couldn't find any kind of usage mark over on the cable. So other than this, we get the chargers, and the charger is also original. Here you can see few red color marks on its body, maybe due to the usage of the previous user. So other than this, there is no marks except this red mark on the side of the charger. So it is a 12 watt output charger, and this is the adapter. You can choose the adapter according to your country. As I am in India, so this is the adapter for India. So we have to fix this with the main charger unit so that we can charge our iPad Pro. On this side of the power adapter, it is written 12 watt USB power adapter and here you can see a Apple logo and few other details of this adapter. This proves that this is a original power adapter, not a duplicate one. So other than this power adapter within the box, we get nothing else. So let's move toward the main content of the box. So guys, this is the main content of our box, that is the iPad Pro 10.5 inch. So let's take it out of the packet and let's see it very closely in order to find out whether any scratches or any marks of usage is present on it or not. So guys, till now I haven't noticed any kind of scratches or marks of usage of this product. So its body looks fully clean, even the Apple logo. So in the front there is no scratch at all. So let's boot this device on for the first time and check whether all the things in the software and both in the hardware are working properly or not. So you have to press the upside power button for a few seconds in order to start this device. So guys, in this way the device will boot up for the first time, that you can see. Now let's set this device up and move toward the checking of both the software and hardware through gaming and the Antutu benchmark software. So guys, I have set the device up and this is what the device looks like after the initial boot. The display is smooth like butter as it comes with a 120Hz refresh rate. So let's move into the setting to see the storage. Here you can see only 5.8 GB is full out of 64 GB, and this device is currently running on iOS version 12.3. That means it is not a very old device. So guys, the best way to check whether the product that you bought from our website is fake or original is very easy, and this process is applicable for each and every gadget, especially smartphone or tablet that you are going to buy from any kind of website. Just install the Antutu benchmark on your iPad from the App Store, and from there you will easily can understand whether there is any change within the hardware may be done by the seller. So here in my case, all the specification that are showing over in the application directly matches with the specification that of an original iPad. That means my iPad is not a fake one. And if you are liking this video, give a big thumbs up to this video and don't forget to press the subscribe button as many times as you can, but it should turn grey. If that, then your phone is original. I have played PUBG in lot of phones, but playing PUBG on an iPad is a real blessing. The gaming experience was so smooth and the graphics were so nice that I was just spellbound. So I hope you will also like the gameplay. So let's have a look on the gameplay.
iPad are not famous for their camera, still this iPad can shoot great footage which are more than enough. These are few of its samples. Even the phone camera make decent selfies and video which is really capable for FaceTime. So finally you guys are over here in the conclusion. That means you guys have watched this video without skipping any portion of this video. Then only you will be able to understand the conclusion. If not, then go and watch the full video without skipping any portion of this video. The iPad Pro is really a beast after all on its performance, from video editing, photo editing to next level jobs like gaming, and you can get Apple Pencil to take the full advantage of your iPad, from taking notes to take your creativity to the next level. If you really focuses to take your productivity to the next level, then of course this is the best tab for you at the best price. And more or less I have bought a lots of products from toogood.com, and still now my experience with them is really great. I have not faced any kind of trouble while buying product from them. If you want to see the videos of those products, I will provide its link over in the description and in the card, so you can check them from those section. So from my experience, I can really suggest you, if you going to buy the product from there, you can definitely go for it, but always don't forget to choose the perfect grade for you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and be a member of Shriptotech community. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Then obviously don't forget to like, share and subscribe this. And if you want to know about my recent updates and small short VFX video, I also upload few videos over in my Facebook and Instagram profile. If you don't want to miss them, please go and follow them out first. And if you have any question, do not hesitate to comment below down in the comment box. I will definitely try to answer them away. So this is Shripto signing off with a like target of 200, and I hope you will fulfill them. So Jai Hind, Bande Mataram, bye bye.